a lot of players and to some parents, they think that talent is the most important part of their basketball journey and to other sports as well. But let me tell you the truth, and all coaches know this, talent comes last. So today, I'd like to share you the real development pyramid of a player. And I hope that this changed the way you train in the future. So tara, join me in this video. Why do some talented players fail while others who are less talented succeed? I'd like to illustrate a pyramid. Okay? Ayan. Parang cake. Alright. We all know how a pyramid looks. Like the Great Pyramid of Egypt. Or the tallest building. Okay? We cannot reach the top unless we build a strong foundation or the base. Same goes to our sports development. To all players, you need to have a strong foundation, a strong base. And I'd like to believe that the very base of your sports development is your strength and stamina. Let's break down from bottom to top. Strength and stamina. This is the foundation of you being the player. Lagi ko po rin sinasabi to in our camp, in our club team training, varsity grade. Your strength and your stamina is the very foundation. Right? If you are weak, you'll be pushed around. Especially in basketball. You need to be strong. Right? You need to endure the whole game. Come to think of it, even you are skillful, you have a good shooting form, but if you are weak and you cannot outlast the whole game, second quarter pa lang, you'll feel tired. Sayang lang po ang talent natin. We need to build a strong body, a good condition in mind and body. Sabi nga, if you're not strong, if you do not have the endurance, you will not endure the whole game. You'll get tired, you'll slow down, and your skills will be wasted. So what do we do? How do we build this strong foundation of strength and stamina? It all starts at home. The right amount of sleep. The proper food or the right food that we take. Right? Natatawa nga po ko eh. Let me just share a story, no? So in our camp, we have students as young as 7 years old. Ayan. All the way to teens. Yan po. Yan po yung, we open our doors to kids ages 7 and up. So, may mga students ako doon, no? Hinahatid pa yun ng mga yaya nila. Or even the parents, they listen to our huddles. I asked them, do you eat vegetables? Tahimik yung mga bata. Tahimik yung mga bata. And I told them, have you tried nilagang okra? Sabi nila, hindi. You have to try. Ginagano ko sila, oh. You have to try that. Nilagang okra. I asked them, do they have food allergies? You can also partner it with bagoong, alamang, or bagong isda, and white rice, and fried fish. Ayan, natatawa yung mga kasama, yung mga parents and yaya eh. Kasi nga, some kids, ewan ko ba, ayaw nila ng gulay. Siguro naman, it's a human nature, no? Kahit siguro ako, nung bata ako, I'm not that eating vegetables eh. Nung tumanda-tanda na lang ako. But yes, the right food that you eat, the right amount of sleep, that is the very start of you building your strength and stamina. Okay? Our camp, I have this Cardio Thursday. Yan, nagte-train kami ng mga players ko not on the hard court, but in the oval. Why? Again, like what I keep on telling them, we may not be that skillful, but if we can outlast the whole game, if we are that strong, if we have that stamina, we can win. Yun po ang ginagawa namin on our Cardio Thursdays, wherein I ask them to sprint, I ask them to do their dynamics, footwork, leg workout, lahat yan, it all contributes for them being strong. The very foundation, the very base, you need to work on your strength and your stamina. Hi there, young athletes, and to all sports parents, mommies and daddies. Let me take a quick break from that video. If you are into sports or wanting to know more about basketball and volleyball, come join us in our skills training camp. PASA East, Pass and Shoot Academy, PASA East, and Filipino Volleyball, FBA East. If you want to learn more about basketball and volleyball, come visit and join us in our skills training camp. Let's master the fundamentals. Let's master the basics and work our way up for improvement. We're not just only teaching the skills, but we're also building the character of these young aspiring athletes. So if you want to join us, you can visit our camp for a one-day trial. Let's see if the camp is a good fit. Let's test the waters. If you're ready, the link is in the description box. And if you're enjoying this kind of conversation, hit the subscribe button. Maraming salamat po. Next, right. The next part or the next level into our pyramid is your speed and agility. Daig ng mabilis ang talented. Daig ng malakas at mabilis ang talented. After you build your strength, you now need to be quick. Yan. Alright? Perhaps the dads and to the 90s kids knew this guy. Dennis Rodman. Right? The worm. We all know Dennis Rodman is not that talented, is not that skillful, not that shooter or flashy move. But he is part of the NBA greats. Why? Because he is strong. He has the speed. And he is smart. Right? Dennis Rodman, a classic example. NBA player, one of the greats, the worm. Jimmy Butler, Jimmy Buckets, right? Not that tallest, same with Dennis Rodman. They're not that tall guys, but Jimmy is fast. Jimmy is agile. Agility, your movement, how fast you move from one place to another, right? Lagi ko sinasabi yan sa mga boys natin, right? I always tell them, take a good look how big the court is. Diba? You'll play 5-on-5. Right? You're going to cross the court, offense and defense. Nakakapagod yun. Diba? But for you to outlast the game, you need the very base of the pyramid. And you need the speed. If you have the quickness, if you have the speed, you can dominate. Sabi nga, di ba, If you're not that shooter of a player, if you're not that flashy move player, you can outrun your defender. Now, next to our pyramid is your fundamentals. In basketball, this is important, right? You cannot be that flashy player. You cannot be that high-flying player. You cannot be that most talented player if you do not have the fundamentals, the basics of the sport. Your passing, your shooting form, your handling, your dribbling. This is the equalizer. Sabi nga, di ba? This what separates great players to the rest. Mastering the fundamentals. And that's why there are skills training camps out there. Same with us. We offer how we can master, how we can make it natural to us, the fundamentals of the sport. Perhaps everyone know him, Steph Curry, right? He's not that tall of a guy, but his discipline is outstanding, right? The guy masters the fundamentals. He has the great shooting form. This often happens, Ang mga bata, when they set foot on the court, pagkasuot nila ng mga sneakers nila, they pick up the basketball and then they shoot 3-pointers. Yung iba, wala namang defender, di ba? Nagre-reverse, Start with the very basic. Mind your form muna. Steph Curry does this. 5 shots near the hoop. After 5, step back. Take another 5 shots. After 5, step back. Take another 5. Until you reach a 3-point line. Right? Find your rhythm. Find your form. I'd like to emphasize how important mastering the fundamentals is. Alright? Again, you cannot be that guy, you cannot be that someone if you do not have the strength, the speed, and your fundamentals. Right? So this goes to our last, or the top of the food chain, top of our pyramid. And that is your talent, athleticism. That comes last. Why? It's a bonus. Yeah. Being a talented guy, it's a bonus. You've worked hard for it. That means if you are talented, you build your way up. You have a strong base. You have the strength, the stamina. You have that speed, your agility. You mastered the fundamentals. That's why it's a bonus that you are talented. You became intelligent in the sport. If you have this is great. But without these foundation, you cannot be that guy. You cannot be that. Talent means nothing. You can be that guy who has the talent, but you get tired easily. You don't have the strength. You don't have the stamina. You get burned out, right? We have seen this. The great Michael Jordan, the GOAT, right? Michael Jordan was a very talented basketball player, an athlete. But it was his mindset. He trained like he was not that talented. That's why it made him the GOAT. Diba? Yun ang mindset niya na hindi siya magaling, hindi siya talented, kaya he works hard for it. Okay? So now we know the truth, right? Don't chase the top of the pyramid. Don't chase that. Why? Kasi dahil ba yun ang nakikita natin sa social media, right? Sa mga reels, mga highlights ng mga players. That's why the young kids today wanted to be like them, wanted to be featured sa mga highlights, right? Don't chase after the fame. Don't chase after the talent. Build your way up. Have the strong body. Have the strength, the stamina. Have the speed. Master the fundamentals. You need to sharpen your saw. Right? Para lang din po yung lagari. You need to sharpen it. And talent will follow. Even if it doesn't, that's okay. You'll still be a great player. I want all the young aspiring athletes to understand. Even you don't reach that talent, but you build your strength, your speed, you master the fundamentals, that's absolutely okay. You'll still be a great player. Right? You can always contribute. Think of it, how you can contribute. I hope that I managed to share a wisdom to all aspiring athletes and to our parents as well. So, please, comment below where on this development pyramid that we need to work on. I challenge you to build your foundation. Start with your base. Start with the very basic. Have a strong body, right? Work on your speed, master the fundamentals, and I tell you, being a talented player will be a result. This is where champions are built. Maraming pong salamat sa pagsama sa akin on this video. Remember, your hard work and your dedication, anything is possible. See you on the next video.